How do you prepare when you've got something coming up that you know you're going to go off track? I'm going to tell you what I do. Right, well, it's the end of the week and I'm getting ready to go to the Isle of Wight festival. Yay! Can't wait. Don't know who I'm looking forward to most, the Pretenders or Green Day. I know I'll go and see both. I'm actually going there as a volunteer for a charity and I'm taking my youngest. It's going to be fantastic. So this is going to be a really short one. I'm going to tell you how I did last week. I lost another pound. That's a good start. And for the week, I've hit a deficit of around about 1,200 calories, which isn't so great. However, I'm going in the right direction. So what I'm going to talk about is how I'm going to deal with being away. I'm travelling down there tomorrow and I'll be there till midnight on Sunday. So it'll be interesting to see what the weight does. Now we're not taking our own cooking facilities because we've only got a small tent and we're working for 8 to 10 hours during the day, so we're going to be eating whatever's on offer. Now, you think, oh my God, he's going to gain weight. Chances are I possibly will, but it will be, I'm hoping, water retention through to the excess salt that's going to be in the foods. If you bother about such things, you can make life a bit easier for you. You could have the kebab without the pitta, just have the meat, but the price is going to be there. I'm going to have the pitta. Probably going to end up eating 3 square meals a day and see where it takes me. Tracking wise, I'm just going to guess and hope for the best. So as I said, this one's going to be short. I might even put a recipe up just to fill it out. So all I can say is, fingers crossed I don't gain too much, and I'll tell you all about it next week. I'm happy with that. I've been feeling the love for burritos lately, and the idea hasn't gone away with help from Sean Casey's videos. So I've been playing with them myself, but I'm struggling with rolling them. I've knocked up some today. They're a bit smaller and they're only 352 calories. I'll put the ingredients up. Here goes.
For your wrapping technique, one side, other side, lift, over, and just fucking close your eyes and hope for the best.